Hello and welcome to this tutorial video on how to download, complete, and return homework digitally for Mr. Ivan's 5th grade class. All right, when you turn on your tablet, you're going to see a home screen that looks like this, and you're going to tap on the upper corner where it says Silk Browser. So I open that. And if it doesn't come right up, you're going to type in your browser at the top, MR, and you see it's already starting to come up for me, mrivan93.edublogs.org. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this orange button down here, and that takes me to our virtual classroom. All right, now I'm going to go over to the yellow sticky note and click on Downloadable Homework. That takes me to our downloadable homework page. All right, now there's two types of homework. You're going to see PDF files and PowerPoint files. So let's just start with reading. You see it says click on the link below for reading. So I click on this button and it's loading and it brings up my first reading assignment. Now what I need to do is, you notice in the bottom right corner there's a little blue pencil. Click on the blue pencil and you see a couple options: comment, fill and sign, edit, organize. I'm going to click fill and sign. Now that I've done that, I can click on the top where it says AB, and that means I can write anywhere on here. So at the top where it says name, I'm going to put my name. And then over by date, I'm going to click there, and you see now my name, Billy, is underneath my name. I'm going to put today's date. Let's say it's August 4th. And look, a little suggestion comes up on the keyboard, August. I have to click in the bottom left where it says question 1, 2, 3 to get the numbers, August 4th. All right, now I can scroll down. And for your reading, you are going to be doing a reading test. Now, in order to do this multiple choice test, you're going to have to go back up at the top. And you see you got a few options. We already chose A, B to write. I have a check mark, an X, a period, a line, or a circle. I'm going to choose a circle. And let's look at the sample question together. It says in the box, Margot went to the hardware store and blank 3 gallons of paint. Now, I want it to be a little bit bigger, so I'm going to put 2 fingers on the screen and pull them apart to make it a little bit bigger. Which one sounds right? If he went to the store and navigated, bound, purchased, or trudged, I think purchased. So I'm going to take my finger and click on C. Now you notice a big circle pops up. However, that circle is over the B and the D as well. So I can make my circle bigger. Nope, now it's circling C and D, but I only want to circle C. So I grab that little blue dot and make it smaller. And now I can put my finger back in the middle of the circle and reposition it so it's right over the C. And now look at that. I have circled my answer. Let's do another one so you get the hang of it. Number 1, the mother had to blank her child away from the toy shop. Would it be extend, supply, bail, or drag? I think drag would work. So I need to go back up to the top, click the circle again, and now that the little circle on the top is blue, I can go over and click drag. And again, I can grab that blue dot to make my circle bigger or smaller. And I can click right in the middle of the circle to reposition it. Maybe you want to circle the word or the letter. All right, good. Now let's say you accidentally click a circle in the middle somewhere. Whoops, I don't want to circle there. All you can do is, you see this says A, pencil, trash can. Click the trash can and it gets rid of it. All right, now you're going to have several pages of this test to give me an idea of your vocabulary ability. After you do that, click the blue check mark in the upper left. And now you see on the top where it says baseline group test grade 5, I'm going to go way over and I've got a few different options. A box, another box, a magnifying glass, a backspace, or a sideways V. I'm going to choose that sideways V, and a pop-up comes up that says, sign in. Nope, I don't want to sign in. I want to share a copy with the little paper clip. I click on share a copy, and a few different options come up. I'm going to choose Gmail. You should always choose Gmail if you have internet at your home. Click on Gmail. All right. Now you see it already comes up here at the top where it says from. It says Mr. Ivan Student at gmail.com. That's going to be your email address. Now to, who should you always send it to? Oh, I should always send it to Mr. Ivan. So Mr., Mrs. Ivan, and you notice it pops up. I can click on that. Now it says emailing baseline group test. And where it says compose email, I'm going to click on that. I'm going to write hello, comma, this is Billy. Please write that down who it is so I know whose test I'm getting. And you see it's got the baseline group test attached. Great. Now I can go all the way up to the upper right. And there's a blue paper airplane. I'm going to press that blue paper airplane, and it automatically sends it off to me. Okay, so that's one way, is the PDFs. Now the other way is the PowerPoint. So I'm going to go ahead, and on the bottom of my screen, I'm going to press the little square. That shows me Mr. Ivan's virtual classroom again. I can close out my test because I'm done. Click on the virtual classroom. Now for math and science, you're going to have PDFs, but for history and religion, you won't. So let's click on a religion. It's downloading, and it has a little orange button that says open. I do want to open it. And now it's loading. All right, and there we go. I can see a PowerPoint of our religion lesson. You can go onto the website and listen to me tell the story. That's under audio lessons, like I showed you in another video. Now you're going to get your Bible and read these Bible verses and answer these questions. But where can I answer these questions? Well, to do that, you have to open another app. I'll show you how to do that. I'm going to press on the circle at the bottom of my screen, and I'm going to click on this blue and white box with a W that says Word. And I'm going to hit blank document. At the top, I want you to write Billy, hit the orange enter button, religion, and see a little suggestion comes up on my words. I can click that. Religion, question, space, answers. All right, and now what I'm going to go is toggle back and forth by pressing that little square. Look, okay, it says, Luke chapter 1, verse 13, Gabriel dismissed Zechariah's fear and told him his prayer had been heard. What would God give them? Well, if I look at the verse, it says, God's going to give them a son. So I'm going to come up here and press the 1, 2, 3, which automatically lets me choose a list. Just like numbering questions on a piece of paper, I'm going to write, God promised them a son. And that's how I'm going to answer all those religion questions. Another way to do it is to just have a regular piece of paper and pencil and write it down. All right, If you're choosing the document though, after I've done that, I'm going to click back up here and I'm going to hit File, tab at the top, and notice again it says Share. So I'm going to hit Share. I've got a choice, OneDrive Personal or Share as Attachment. I'm going to share as an attachment as a Word document. Again, just like with the PDFs, I'm going to hit Gmail. And it's going to come up, Mr. Ivan Student, that's you, to, who are you going to send it to? I'm going to send it to Mr. Ivan. Hey, it's already popping up, Mr. and Mrs. Ivan. I'm sharing a document with you, and please tell me what this document is. Billy, religion, questions. Whoops, I misspelled that. I'm going to hit the backspace, questions, and answers. Whoops, misspelled it again, but it auto-corrected. And just like I did with the PDF, click that blue airplane at the top, and it sends it off to me. All right. If you have any questions, please get a hold of me through the Remind app or email me at mrmrsivan@gmail.com. Have a good day.